from Norway, Mr. Roar Brostrøm. On the keyboard from Norway, Mr. Bjørn Ole Rush. On the guitar, acoustic and electric, also from Norway, Mr. Rolf Christensen. On vocals and percussion from Norway, Katrine Iversen. On the bass guitar, also from Norway, Mr. Per Elias Drables. And on the drums, from Norway, Mr. Carl Oluf Venneberg. We also have an invisible part of Secret Garden, and those are the people who are so important for us that you don't see, but you hear them and you see the lights. On sound monitor here on the stage, Mr. Espen Andersen. The sound producer and the sound for the hall, Mr. Dag Steffen Solberg in the back. And the lights are produced by Mr. Trond Dybfest. Thank you, guys.
We would like to now perform a song from our Dawn of a New Century album. And this is a song that Rolf and I both wrote together. And the idea of the lyrics to this song are that sense that when you're awake in the middle of the night, which we have been from jet lag for the last few nights, and with that sense of you're not really alone, that maybe there's somebody out there looking after you. Here to sing prayer is Katrine Iversen.